This 2026 KZ Connect SE 301 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 10 TV antenna, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, skylight, oven, DVD player, microwave, leveling jacks, LP detector, awning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 KZ Connect SE 301 BHK is 6,780 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.